What's up guys, thank you for joining me. Today is iPhone XR day and I've got the Orzly screen and case pack for it. So let's get to it. This pack gives you 360-degree protection out of the box. It comes with two easy to apply screen protectors that are universally case compatible and a FlexiCase to match whatever XR you've got. The case is made from a malleable TPU material and slides on and off with ease. The finish is smooth and gives you a much improved grip on your phone. Beveled edges on the front and the raised lip on the back make sure your screen and camera are protected when you lay the phone down. The cutouts are precise and give you easy access to the alert slider, charging port, and don't restrict the speakers. The buttons are tactile and offer really good feedback. This is an understated case that gives you a great feel without being in your face. Subtle design choices like the two-tone pattern on the colored cases and the micro dot array on the clear help improve the functionality of your case and enhance the design, letting you stand out from the rest. The Orzly screen protector is full adhesive and is made from a chemically treated, reinforced glass. The clarity is superb, and with its high light transmittance, the image quality is amazing and the colors are just as vivid as the bare screen. Strength and durability are key for us, but we also care about the user experience. So we designed and built our screen protectors to withstand and absorb impacts whilst being thin enough that you forget that it's even there. Like I said earlier, it's universally compatible, so if you decide to switch up cases, you know you won't have to worry about changing your screen protector too. As for the easy to apply part, we've been listening and we know that screen protectors can be tricky to apply, and that messing up the alignment in most cases means that you've lost that screen protector. So to solve this, each pack comes with the applicator tool, which will make it so much easier to get that perfect install first time. Let's get to it. As always, for the best results, make sure you're working in a well-lit, dust-free environment and that your hands are clean. First off, grab the alcohol swab and the microfiber cloth and just clean the screen. Now place the applicator tool onto your iPhone, making sure the arrows are pointing towards the top of the phone. If you get any dust on your screen, just use the dust stickers to lift it off. Grab your screen protector and peel it off the packaging, making sure not to touch the adhesive side. Line it up against the bottom edge of the applicator tool and drop it into place. You should see the screen start to self-seal. If not, just press down in the middle of the screen and watch the air escape. If you clean the screen thoroughly enough, there should be no air pockets. However, if they are, it's not the end of the world. Just grab the microfiber cloth and tease the air bubbles out to the edge. Some stubborn air bubbles will work themselves out over time. Now carefully lift the applicator guide off your phone and use the microfiber cloth around the edges to seal the screen and give it one final wipe down. There you have it, the Orzly screen and case pack, 360 protection for your iPhone XR. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please like and share it, you know, all that good stuff. Also, leave a comment below and let me know what color you'd get. You never know, I might just pick 5 lucky subscribers to each get a pack. Also, check out the Orzly Essential Pack for iPhone XR. It comes with a screen protector plus everything you see here. Available now from Orzly.com and Amazon, links will be below. I'm Terrence for Orzly, and thanks for watching.